Hello and welcome. Today I want to talk about something very real. It happens to many people who move to a new country. It is called culture shock. When I first moved abroad, I was excited. A new city, new people, new life. Everything felt like a dream. But after a few weeks, I started to feel strange. People were smiling, but I felt alone. The food was different. The streets were not what I expected. I couldn't understand the jokes. I didn't know how to greet people. Sometimes I felt stupid. This is culture shock. It's not just about food or language. It's about how you feel when everything around you is new. But it gets better. Slowly I learned. I started asking questions. I listened. I tried new things. And one day I realized, I'm not just visiting this place. I live here now. So if you are going through culture shock, don't worry. You are not alone. It is normal. And it will pass. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to repeat this video, write down new words, and try to speak about your own experience. See you next time.